So today I'm going to explain you the uses of convex and concave lens. Let's start with the uses of convex lens. The first use is in telescope. So as you know that convex lens can focus on a specific point called focal length and enlarge the image. Let's take an example of it. So here you can see a man who's using a telescope to focus on the moon. Convex lens here gather and bends the light that comes from the moon towards a focal point. This focal point is where the eyepiece lens is placed. It magnifies and allows us to see the detailed view of the moon. Let me explain you how. If parallel beam of light rays passes through a convex lens, the lens refracts the light rays towards each other, causing them to converge at a point called focal point, and this phenomena is also known as convergence. Another use of convex lens is in eyeglasses to correct the farsightedness, also known as hyperopia. Farsightedness occurs when the eye is too short or the cornea is too flat, causing the light to focus behind the retina rather than on it. So as you can see, the retina is placed over here and the light bends behind it. So we're going to place here a convex lens that will help to reflect the light in a way that brings the focal point forward onto the retina, allowing the person to see a close-up object more clearly by the help of a convex lens. So the third use of it is in microscope. You all have seen microscope in your school labs. In microscope, we use two convex lens, or you can say combination of convex lens. So here you can see an object which is placed over here and the final image which is an enlarged image while the object is too small, and you know that the convex lens enlarge the image and allow us to focus on a focal point. Here the object is too small while the final image is enlarged. Now let's move towards the uses of concave lens. The first use is in glasses. The human beings who can't see the image from far, which is also known as nearsightedness. So let's see here a normal eye where the light is spreading on the retina. Now let's talk about myopia, where you can see the light spreads before the retina. So to correct this, let's see the correction with lens. So here you can see we have placed a convex lens which allow the light to spread on the retina. So it is also used in laser lights as the concave lens have a diverging nature. It diverges the light. Concave lenses are also used in cameras. Let me explain you how. As you can see, in camera we used to focus in and focus out the image, and in camera we use both concave and convex lens. It is basically the combination of concave and convex lens to zoom in and zoom out the image. So here the video ends, and I hope that you have understand what I have taught you. So for a self test, here is a question on your screen and I hope that you can answer it because हम तो पढ़ने वाले बच्चे हैं.